In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the app CamScanner to scan in your work. So I'm in this app here, and I'm going to click on the little camera down at the bottom. All right, and then what I want to be selected on is the batch upload. That's going to let me take multiple pictures of different pages and then combine them all into a single document. So I'm going to go ahead and take my pictures here. So here's the first page of my homework. And then I'm just going to flip. And then here is the second page of my homework. All right, so I'm going to click over here, and you can see it tries to figure out where the edges of your pages are. It's not quite right though, so I'm going to line it up a little bit better. So if you are using this app, just make sure that you do this on all your pages, because sometimes it doesn't quite know what the area is that you want it to scan. Okay. All right, so I have that all lined up now. So I can double check here. So there's the 2 pages of my homework. All right, so now in order to save the file, there's a couple different things that we can do. One option is to click this little more button down at the bottom. And then the easy thing that you can do with that is just email it to yourself. So if you just did this on your phone and you want to have access to the document, say on your computer, you can just say email to myself. And I always like a PDF more than any of the other file types. So I'm going to say share PDF. All right, and it's going to ask you to put in your email address. I already put mine in there, so it remembers it from last time. And then I'm just going to hit send. All right, and then it pulls up whatever your mail app is. All right, and I'm just going to send that file. Okay. All right, and then that would just show up in your email. Another way that you can do it, if you don't want to go the email route, you can also say share, and then you could do share PDF, and then decide how you want to share it. So you could send it to someone, or you could say save to your files, and you could save it to a file on your iPhone. And then that you could upload to Blackboard straight from there. All right, so that is CamScanner. There are other apps out there similar to this one. This is just the one that I prefer and am familiar with, but a lot of different apps will do the same sort of thing.